the car. Daddy Pig is taking the family for a drive in the country. Come on, is everybody ready? Ready? Yes, Daddy Pig, we are ready. But the car isn't ready. Look how messy it is. Oh, it's not too bad. You should see how messy it is inside. Nothing messy, Daddy. Nothing messy, Daddy. Look at all this rubbish. Newspapers, they are mine. Sweet, they are mine. Mr. Dinosaur, Dinosaur, good. We must clean the car before we go for a drive. Oh, right you are, Mommy Pig. Mommy, can you help to clean the car? Yes, if you want. Hooray! Daddy Pig has some warm, soapy water to wash the car. Daddy Pig is washing the roof. Mommy Pig is washing the bonnet. Peppa is washing the doors. George wants to wash the windows, but he is too little. Poor George, let me help you. Oh dear, George has dropped his sponge in a muddy puddle. George, you are making the car all muddy again. I will wash the mud off. Peppa, don't use the muddy water. Oh dear, Peppa has thrown the muddy water all over the car. Oh, never mind. We can use the garden hose to clean it off. Yes, yes. Can I hold the hose? Peppa holds the hose, and Daddy Pig turns on the water. Where's the water? Peppa, stop! Sorry, Mommy. Oh. Daddy Pig, please turn off the water. Oh, no need to panic. Oh dear, everyone is wet. At least the car has been washed. We've all been washed. You go and dry yourselves while I polish the car. See you later. See you later. Daddy Pig is polishing the car so that he can see his face in it. What a funny face. Oh, more funny faces. It's Peppa and George. And Mommy Pig. What a lovely, shiny car. Yes, I'm a bit of an expert at these things. Come on, I'll drive today. Is everybody ready? Ready? Then let's go. I hope we'll all keep this car clean today. Yes, Mommy Pig. Yes, Mommy Pig. Wow. Mommy, now you've made the car all muddy again. Naughty Mommy. Naughty, messy Mommy.